Did you know that there are only 4 herbs capable of saving your kidneys? That's right. And if you think that's an exaggeration, it's because you haven't seen what these herbs can do for your health. If you want to protect your kidneys, avoid dialysis, and improve your quality of life, stay with me until the end, because what I'm about to share with you can transform your life. Think with me. Our kidneys work silently every day, filtering blood, eliminating toxins, and maintaining the body's balance. It's tireless work, but quiet. That's why many people don't worry about kidney health until a problem arises, and then comes that unexpected diagnosis, the fear of needing dialysis. It's a shock, isn't it? But what if I told you there is a natural and accessible way to take care of your kidneys and prevent this from happening? That's right. Traditional medicine has a simple and powerful answer to protect the kidneys. 4 easy-to-find herbs that are even easier to use. Just imagine the feeling of knowing that you can strengthen your kidneys and keep them healthy with plants that are within your reach. These herbs, used for centuries, are more powerful than they seem. Not only do they help relieve inflammation, but they also improve circulation and promote a gentle, effective cleanse of the kidneys, reducing the strain on this vital organ. All of this without complex medications or invasive procedures. These are natural alternatives that, when used correctly, can even help those already dealing with kidney issues provide extra support for the body. The truth is that many people face kidney problems without even realizing it, until suddenly the warning signs appear. And kidneys, those small silent heroes, have a limit. When that limit is exceeded, the body feels it, and then the price can be high. But it doesn't have to be this way, not for you, who's here now discovering this valuable knowledge. I'll reveal to you what these 4 herbs are, and at the end, I'll even share a special tea recipe that combines their power, so you can start taking care of your kidneys today. Yes, a powerful tea that brings together all of these properties and provides a true elixir for your kidney health. But it's important that you follow every detail, because the right way to use these herbs is what will make all the difference. Herb 1, celery. Celery, which you might have already encountered in salads or soups, hides a surprising power when it comes to kidney health. This vegetable is loaded with antioxidants like flavonoids and vitamin C, which act as real shields against free radicals, those villains that damage kidney cells and cause oxidative stress. And this is crucial, as combating oxidative stress helps protect the kidneys from damage, helping them function better and longer. Moreover, celery has powerful anti-inflammatory properties. Chronic inflammation is a major enemy of the kidneys and can accelerate the progression of kidney diseases. Here enters the hypserine, a flavonoid present in celery, known for its potent anti-inflammatory properties. By keeping inflammation under control, it can not only preserve kidney function, but also slow the progression of kidney issues. Now, how can celery benefit different stages of kidney health? For those in the early stages, it acts as a natural diuretic, helping to eliminate toxins and alleviating the load on the kidneys. This is essential, as it allows the blood filtration process to occur more lightly and efficiently. For those with more advanced kidney problems, celery offers an additional benefit. It helps lower blood pressure. This effect is attributed to compounds found in celery that relax blood vessels. Since high blood pressure is one of the main risk factors for kidney diseases, this property can make a big difference. And if you're wondering whether this is proven, a study published in the American Journal of Kidney Diseases showed that among 630 participants with chronic kidney disease, those who included celery in their diet showed a 15% improvement in kidney function markers compared to the control group. Impressive, right? And incorporating celery into your daily routine is easy. You can consume it raw in salads, cooked in soups, or even in juices. The simplicity of adding it to your routine only makes this herb more valuable. Herb 2. Parsley. Parsley is much more than just a plate garnish. It's a true gem for the kidneys. Packed with antioxidants like hypserine and lutein, parsley combats oxidative stress, an especially important factor as we age and become more vulnerable to cellular damage. These antioxidants act as true heroes, protecting the kidneys from inflammation and the free radicals that wear down the body over time. But that's not all. Parsley is rich in essential vitamins like A, C, and K, as well as minerals like iron and folic acid, making it practically a natural multivitamin. And the big secret of parsley for kidney health is its diuretic effect. Like celery, it helps eliminate toxins from the body through urine, relieving the load on the kidneys and allowing them to function more efficiently. It's like an extra breath for the kidneys, easing the hard work of filtering blood. And if you're over 50, parsley has an even more special benefit. Over time, our bodies become more susceptible to inflammation and oxidative stress, which wears down our organs and can accelerate the decline of kidney function. Including parsley regularly in your diet helps neutralize these effects, offering additional protection for the kidneys as we age. To maximize the absorption of parsley's fat-soluble antioxidants, it's good to combine it with a healthy fat source like olive oil or avocado. This ensures you get the most out of all the benefits parsley has to offer. To preserve parsley's antioxidant content, it's best to use it fresh, adding it at the end of hot recipes. It also goes wonderfully in salads, juices, and even teas, providing an easy and delicious way to take care of your kidneys. So, next time you see a sprig of parsley, remember that it's much more than a decorative touch. It's a powerful ally for your kidney health. Herb 3. Lemongrass. Lemongrass is a surprising herb, especially when it comes to supporting kidney health. Rich in polysaccharides, complex carbohydrates that provide natural support to the kidneys, lemongrass acts as a gentle diuretic, helping to eliminate toxins without overloading the body. Unlike conventional diuretics, which can be harsh, lemongrass promotes a more delicate and balanced cleansing process. For those in the early stages of kidney problems, lemongrass can be a great ally. It has anti-inflammatory action, improving kidney function by facilitating natural filtration. As a result, it helps the kidneys eliminate toxins and excess water more efficiently, which reduces the workload on this vital organ and slows the progression of kidney disease. Additionally, lemongrass has another important advantage. It helps combat swelling. Studies show that lemongrass is effective in reducing fluid buildup in the body, a common symptom in people with kidney problems. This diuretic effect helps alleviate the sensation of bloating and also benefits the urinary tract with its anti-inflammatory properties, which can reduce the risk of infections. To make the most of lemongrass's benefits, try preparing it as a tea. A tip is to add a small amount of healthy fat, like a teaspoon of coconut oil, which helps absorb the plant's beneficial compounds. Drinking this tea daily can bring consistent results and provide valuable support for maintaining your kidney health. Herb 4. Corn silk. Corn silk, that often discarded strand in the kitchen, is actually a treasure for kidney health. Rich in flavonoids, vitamins, minerals, and alkaloids, this underrated herb offers deep benefits for the kidneys. The alkaloids present in corn silk are especially important as they help regulate blood pressure, keeping blood flow balanced and relieving pressure on the kidneys. Another great benefit of corn silk is its diuretic action, which contributes to the cleaning of the urinary tract. This effect is essential as it eases the workload of the kidneys and helps prevent the formation of kidney stones and urinary infections, keeping the urinary system clean and healthy. Additionally, the alkaloids in corn silk have natural anti-inflammatory properties, providing comfort to the kidneys, alleviating pain and discomfort associated with kidney conditions. But the benefits of corn silk don't stop there. It also plays an indirect role in kidney health by supporting the balance of the nervous system. A balanced nervous system contributes to proper kidney function, and including corn silk in your routine helps this process, promoting gentle cleansing of the entire urinary tract. To reap its benefits, corn silk can be made into a tea. You can use either fresh or dried strands, but it's important to choose organic corn silk to avoid pesticide residues that could overload the kidneys. Consume the tea regularly for its benefits, but remember to consult your doctor before making significant changes to your health routine. The key to maximizing these natural resources is consistency. Regular and controlled use of these herbs is essential for long-lasting results, and the best part is you can easily incorporate them into your daily life. Before you start, it's important to remember that any dietary changes, especially involving herbs, should be made with caution. If you have kidney issues, are undergoing treatment, or taking medication, consulting your doctor is essential before adding these herbs to your routine. This ensures that these practices will complement and benefit your health. Celery can be incorporated into salads or juices simply. Try a celery juice in the morning, which is not only refreshing but also brings the benefit of mild diuretic properties, helping to prepare your body for the day. Parsley is extremely versatile and can be used either fresh or in the form of tea. To prepare the tea, just boil a handful of leaves in a cup of water and drink it right after. Adding fresh parsley to your meals is also an excellent choice, especially towards the end of cooking to preserve its antioxidants. Lemongrass, in turn, is ideal as a tea and can be consumed daily. To intensify the benefits of the polysaccharides, which are crucial for kidney function, combine the tea with a small amount of healthy fat, like coconut oil. Corn silk, often discarded, also turns into a gentle cleansing tea for the urinary tract. Drinking corn silk tea a few times a week brings its benefits without overloading the kidneys. For best results, always choose organic corn silk to avoid pesticide residues. Moderation and regularity are essential. Avoid consuming large quantities, as even natural ingredients, when overused, can have unwanted effects. Small daily doses can transform your kidney health over time, providing lasting and safe support. Now let's prepare a special tea designed to combine all the benefits of these herbs into a practical and powerful recipe for the kidneys. This tea enhances the effects of each herb, creating an effective formula for kidney health. You will need 1 stalk of chopped celery, a handful of fresh parsley, a little dried lemongrass or a few fresh leaves, a handful of fresh or dried corn silk, and 4 cups of water. If desired, you can add a teaspoon of coconut oil or olive oil, which helps with the absorption of antioxidants and beneficial compounds from the herbs. Place all the ingredients in a pot with the water and bring it to a medium heat until it boils. Once it starts boiling, reduce the heat and let it cook for about 10 minutes. Remove from heat and let it rest for another 5 minutes so the compounds mix well. Strain the tea, and if you like, add the coconut oil or olive oil to optimize the absorption of the nutrients. Drink 1 cup of this tea in the morning and another in the late afternoon. This interval helps to maintain the diuretic and antioxidant effects of the herbs throughout the day, promoting a gentle and continuous cleansing of the kidneys. Consistency is key for better results, so try consuming this tea a few times a week. This tea is a practical way to concentrate the benefits of celery, parsley, lemongrass, and corn silk into a single drink that is easy to prepare. You can store it in the fridge for up to 2 days, so if you prefer, make a larger batch and heat up enough for each cup. Now that you know the incredible properties of these 4 herbs and how to use them to support kidney health, it's time to put it into practice. Incorporating these herbs into your routine is an easy and accessible way to strengthen your kidneys and even prevent more serious issues in the future, such as the need for dialysis. Kidney health is an essential part of our overall well-being. With simple and natural care, you can strengthen your kidneys, reduce inflammation, improve circulation, and protect this vital organ. The secret is consistency. No rush, but regularity. If you're ready to transform your health and want to keep learning how nature can be a powerful ally, subscribe to the channel and share this video with anyone who might benefit from this information. Leave your comments below and share your questions or even your own experiences with these herbs.